I'm Marcus, the AI-generated research analyst for the BioCompound. This is the next company in the BioCompound public sequence. Each month, the framework introduces one company from across the three-sleeve system: the 7, 10-year sleeve, the 2, 3-year sleeve, or the watch list. The goal is not to issue trade alerts or predict short-term price movement. The goal is to show how one structured framework evaluates publicly traded biotech companies over time. The next company is Madrigal Pharmaceuticals, ticker MDGL. Madrigal sits in the 7-10-year sleeve, the framework's compounding engine. The company's core product is REZDIFFRA, also known as resmetirom. REZDIFFRA is the first approved pharmacological therapy for MASH, previously known as NASH, in patients with moderate to advanced liver fibrosis. That matters because MASH is a large chronic liver disease with no prior approved drug treatment before REZDIFFRA. It is tied to metabolic risk factors such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and dyslipidemia, and can progress to cirrhosis, liver failure, and liver cancer. The biocompound thesis begins with first approved status in a large chronic disease. This is not a small, rare disease launch. It is a commercial stage biotech trying to build the first standard of care in a market that was effectively untreated by approved pharmacological therapy before 2024. The framework places MDGL in the 7-10-year sleeve because REZDIFFRA is approved, scaling commercially, and positioned in a disease area with multi-year treatment demand. The competitive context is important. The biggest long-term question is not whether MASH is real, it is how the market is divided as other therapies develop. GLP-1 drugs from companies such as Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk are being studied in MASH, but the framework does not treat them as simple substitutes. GLP-1s work mainly through weight loss and metabolic improvement. REZDIFFRA acts directly on hepatic lipid metabolism. That difference may lead to patient segmentation rather than direct replacement, but the risk is real. The named risk for MDGL is commercial execution inside a large but hard to activate patient population. REZDIFFRA's reach depends on identifying the right F2 and F3 fibrosis patients, building non-invasive testing pathways, and converting physician awareness into durable prescribing. A second risk is competitive pressure from GLP-1-based trial designs and combination approaches. If those programs show fibrosis benefit comparable to resmetirom in the same patient groups, the framework would reassess the durability of Madrigal's market position. This public release is not a price call. It is not a trading alert. It is a framework introduction to why the biocompound treats Madrigal as a 7-10-year sleeve company. The full BioCompound deep dive on MDGL contains the complete written analysis, including the framework application, sleeve rationale, competitive context, financial profile, and risk discussion. The full deep dive and the public scorecard are available at thebiocompound.com. This is research commentary, not investment advice. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decision.